The discovery of ants as a distinct group of organisms dates back to ancient times. Ants have been known and studied by humans for thousands of years, and have been mentioned in the literature of many different cultures. For example, in ancient Egypt, ants were considered a symbol of industry and were often depicted in hieroglyphics. In ancient Greece, the philosopher Aristotle wrote about ants and their behavior in his work Historia Animalium. It wasn't until the 17th century that scientists began to systematically study ants and classify them as a distinct group of animals. In 1679, the Dutch naturalist Jan Swammerdam published a book called Bible of Nature, in which he described and illustrated several species of ants. This was the first book to be devoted entirely to the study of ants, and it marked the beginning of scientific research on these organisms. Ants belong to the family Formicidae, which is a part of the order Hymenoptera. The family Formicidae includes more than 12,000 known species of ants, which are found in almost every habitat on Earth. Ants are highly social insects that live in colonies or nests, with a hierarchical social structure consisting of a queen ant, male ants, and worker ants. Ants are known for their strong work ethic and cooperation within their colonies, and are able to communicate with each other using chemicals called pheromones. Ants play important roles in the ecosystem, serving as decomposers, pollinators, and predators. They can also be considered pests in some situations, such as when they invade homes or gardens in search of food. In an ant colony, the queen ant is responsible for reproduction. The queen is typically the largest ant in the colony and is the only one that is capable of reproducing. She is usually the only ant in the colony that has fully developed wings, which she uses to fly to a new location to start a new colony. Once she has mated with male ants, the queen will lay eggs and raise the first generation of worker ants. The worker ants will then take over the tasks of foraging for food, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest, while the queen focuses on reproduction. In some species of ants, the queen can live for many years, while in other species, the queen's lifespan is shorter. The lifespan of an ant depends on the species and the role of the ant within the colony. In general, the queen ant has the longest lifespan of any ant in the colony, sometimes living for several years. Worker ants typically have shorter lifespans and may only live for a few months to a couple of years. The lifespan of a worker ant can depend on the tasks it performs within the colony, with ants that engage in more physically demanding work tending to have shorter lifespans. Male ants, or drones, also typically have shorter lifespans than the queen and worker ants, as they do not engage in work within the colony and typically only live long enough to mate with the queen. Ants are highly social insects that live in colonies or nests. Each colony has a hierarchical social structure, with a queen ant responsible for reproduction and a group of worker ants responsible for foraging for food, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest. Ants are known for their strong work ethic and cooperation within their colonies. They are able to communicate with each other using chemicals called pheromones, and are able to coordinate their activities to achieve common goals. Ants play important roles in the ecosystem, serving as decomposers, pollinators, and predators. They are also important indicators of the health of an ecosystem. Ants are found in almost every habitat on Earth, and there are over 12,000 known species of ants. Ants are considered pests in some situations, such as when they invade homes or gardens in search of food. However, they can also be beneficial, as they help to control pest populations and improve soil health. Ants have an advanced social structure and demonstrate complex behaviors, including cooperation, communication, and problem solving. Ants are able to lift and carry objects that are much larger and heavier than their own body size, and can work together in teams to achieve these feats. Some species of ants have symbiotic relationships with other animals, such as tending to and protecting aphids. In exchange for the sweet honeydew excretion produced by the aphids, ants have a highly developed system of communication using chemical signals called pheromones. They can communicate information about food sources, dangers, and the location of the nest. Ants are known for their strong work ethic and can be found performing various tasks within their colonies, such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest. It is not accurate to say that ants are generally dangerous. While some species of ants may sting or bite in self-defense, most ants do not pose a significant danger to humans. However, there are a few species of ants that can be considered dangerous due to their venomous stings or bites. Examples of dangerous ants include fire ants. Fire ants are a type of stinging ant that is known for its painful and venomous sting. They are found in various parts of the world, including the United States, and can be aggressive when their nest is threatened. Bullet ants. Bullet ants are found in the rainforests of Central and South America and are known for their extremely painful sting, which is said to be as painful as being shot. Maricopa harvester ants. Maricopa harvester ants are found in the southwestern United States and are known for their venomous sting, which can cause severe allergic reactions in some individuals. It is important to exercise caution when around ants and to avoid disturbing their nests if possible. If you encounter a dangerous ant species, it is best to avoid contact with the ants and seek medical attention if you are stung or bitten. Nowadays, the study of ants is an active field of research, and scientists continue to discover new ant species and learn more about their behavior and ecology.